With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here the question is, a convex glass lens of refractive index 1.5 produces a real image of an object. The size of the image equals to the size of the object. When the air surrounding the lens is replaced by liquid, the size of the image is found to be twice of the object. Find the refractive index of the liquid. Now we know students, magnification of the convex lens, magnification M is equals to size of the image divided by size of object, and which is also equals to the object distance, image distance V divided by object distance U. Now, so students, we can write HI divided by HO is equals to V divided by U. Now students, in this first case, when the surrounding area is air, right? Then in that case, the image size is equals to the object size. That is HI is equals to HO. That implies HI divided by HO is equals to 1. That implies, students, we also can write the image distance is equals to the object distance. Now students, we know the lens formula is 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Again students, V is equals to U, right? That implies we can write 1 by F is equals to 2 by 2 divided by V. That implies, students, focal length of the lens is equals to, we get V divided by 2. V divided by 2. Now students, this is the case where the surrounding is air, right? Now students, again for a lens, we know the focal length 1 divided by F is equals to, students, N2 divided by N1 minus 1 whole multiplied by 1 by R1 minus 1 divided by R2. Right. Now students, here again you know the 1 by F is equals to V divided by 2, which is equals to, students, N2 divided by N1. And here students, N2 is the refractive index of glass. N2 is the refractive index of glass, and N1 is the refractive index of surrounding, right? Now students, here N2 is given as 1.5 and N1 is air initially, so this is 1 minus 1, which is equals to, we get 1 divided by R1 minus 1 divided by R2, right? That implies, students, we get 1 divided by R1 minus 1 divided by R2 is equals to V divided by 2 multiplied by 0.5. 2 multiplied by 0.5, that is, students, which is equals to, we get V. Now students, again here is the second case here, but here air is replaced by some liquid, right? Some liquid. So this when air is replaced by liquid, the image distance or the image size HI becomes, size of the image is found to be twice of the object, right? Which is equals to twice of the object. That implies, students, HI divided by HO is equals to 2. That implies, students, again we can write V divided by U is equals to 2. That implies, students, V is equal, U equals to can be written as 2 divided by V. U equals to can be written as 2 divided by V. Now here in this case, the focal length will be, according to the lens maker's formula, 1 by F dash let, which is equals to, students, 1 by V plus 1 divided by U. So this is, students, 1 divided by V plus, sorry, here u equals to, we get u is equals to, we'll get v divided by 2, right? V divided by 2. So putting this here, in case of u, we put v by 2. So this is 2 divided by v. That implies, students, we get 1 divided by f dash is equals to 3 divided by v. That implies, students, f dash is equals to, we get v divided by 3. v divided by 3. Here again, students, we have made a mistake. In case of 1 by f, here f is v by 2, right? So 1 by f would be 2 divided by v. 1 by f would be 2. That is 2 divided by v. That implies, students, this is 1, but 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 would be equals to 2 divided by v multiplied by 0.5, which is equals to, students, we get 20 divided by 5v, or we can write 4 divided by v. So we get 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2 equals to 4 divided by v. Now let it go. Now here, students, we have got f dash is equals to v by 3. But students, we know 1 divided by f dash will be equals to n2 divided by n1 minus 1 whole multiplied by 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2, right? And here, students, again 1 by f1 is equals to 1 by f dash will be equals to 3 divided by b, which is equals to, students, n2 again we know 1.5, and n1 we have to find. That's what asked in this question, right? We have to find the refractive index of the liquid. Minus 1, again, students, 1 divided by r1 minus 1 divided by r2 equals to, we have find already 4 divided by v. 4 divided by v. That implies, students, v and v got cancelled out, and we get, students, 1.5 divided by n1 minus 1 is equals to 3 divided by 4. That implies, students, 1.5 divided by n1 is equals to 3 divided by 4 plus 1, which is equals to, students, we get 7 divided by 4. That implies, students, 1.5 can be written as 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2 n1 equals to, we get 7 divided by 4. That implies, students, n1 will be equals to 12 divided by 14. That is, the refractive index of the liquid is, the refractive index of liquid is 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 14. This is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.